Hey, welcome everyone. It's Mike Fuller, and today I want to show you a quick video of how to map your GoDaddy.com custom domain name with your Empower Network, Blog Beast, ENV2 blog. This instructional is for GoDaddy.com domain names. That's the one I use. That's the one I'm most familiar with, and so that's why I will be doing that demonstration today for my team and anyone else who needs this information. So the first thing you want to do is go to the back office of your Blog Beast Empower Network blog, and just go to empowernetwork.com or empowernetwork.com/your username and log in. Once you log in, you're going to come to this screen here. And so what you want to do is you go up here to the top right hand corner, View Edit Blog. Okay, as you see, I have added a picture and changed the background, just kind of messing around with this thing. And what you want to do is up here in the left hand corner, there's a tiny gray box with a plus. Click that, and that takes you to the back end of your blog. Right now you see we're on my Empower Network blog. I did start another one, but we're going to just use this main one for illustration purposes. So on this gray navigation bar, go all the way to the right, click Custom Domain. Okay, right here is where you want to enter the domain name that you own or that you're going to register, that you want to map your blog to. So this one, I'm just going to use one of my available ones, www.enteamrevolution.com. All right, make sure you put www dot and your domain name, enteamrevolution.com. And as you can see over here, that is available because I own it and it's not mapped to anything yet. And you'll click Next. Okay, this is the important information here. This is your CNAME name and your CNAME value. Okay. From there, what you want to do is go to GoDaddy.com. If you own a GoDaddy domain, I've already logged in, so I'm going to go right up here to visit my account. And then you want to come down here. You got all these options to domains. Launch. All right. You can see some of the domains that I use. Scroll down here. enteamrevolution.com. I'm going to click that because that's the domain I want to map. And then I'm going to click right here, DNS zone file. Okay, as you see, there's a bunch of stuff that pops up. You don't need to worry about any of this stuff except for right here. And the first thing you want to do is this www at under the CNAME alias. Okay, this is right up at the top. You've got the host, CNAME alias, and that www. So first thing you want to do is click Edit. Okay, make sure you don't change anything else, but scroll down here to the www, click in the box, and that's where you want to put your domain name, your custom domain name. So www.enteamrevolution.com, and make sure you spelled it right. enteamrevolution.com, and then with this at, you want to delete the at. You want to go back over to your Empower Network blog, and this name here, the CNAME value, Mine is incomeinnovations.empowernetwork.com. You want to copy that. However, at the end of this, and I'm not sure why it's there, there's a period. You do not want a period, okay? So go to your CNAME value, copy that except for the period. Go back over to your domain DNS manager. As you can see, there's a red there because it points to nowhere. But click back in that box and paste that in there. And you can see now the red error box is gone. So basically what that's doing is that's telling that you want to map www.yourdomain enteamrevolution.com to incomeinnovations.empowernetwork.com, which is where your blog lives. Okay, that's all you need to do on this screen, except for come up here and click this Save Zone file. You'll see it says it could take an hour, it could take 24 hours to actually map this. Let's save zone file. You're about to modify, okay. Okay, your changes have been submitted. These changes usually take 1 hour, however, it can take up to 48 hours. Usually it seems to take like 20-30 minutes, but it can take longer, so click OK. All right, now there's one more step that you need to do. And basically you need to go back to your dashboard. You need to go back to where your domains are. I'm just going to go back to account overview and get back to this screen here where your domains are. Launch your domains again. Go back over to Team Revolution or whatever domain you are mapping. Click that, and you're going to want to come down here to forwarding. Make sure you are in the domain name that you want to map, and you come to forwarding. And the reason we're going to do this is because we have forwarded the www.mycustomdomainname.com, or we have mapped that to your Empower Network blog. However, this right here is basically a subdomain. It's a naked domain. There's no www in front of it. So if somebody types in and leaves out the www, types in enteamrevolution.com, that will not go to my blog. You have to type in the www first. These days, a lot of people do just type in that. So what we need, this is a subdomain, a naked domain. What we need to do is forward the naked domain to the www domain. So don't get confused. It's just a real simple step. Go to forwarding, manage. I've never forwarded anything on this one yet, so add forwarding. All right, you can see HTTP. We just want to add www.enteamrevolution.com to that. It's very important to put this www. Make sure your spelling is right. And again, not to confuse you, but basically this is saying if somebody just types in enteamrevolution.com or http://enteamrevolution.com, it will go nowhere unless this is forwarded to our www.enteamrevolution.com, which is mapped to our Empower Network domain name. So we are not forwarding our whole domain, we are just forwarding the subdomain to our mapped domain. Update name servers recommended. click add. I always put permanent, forward only. There's options, forward with masking. You do not want forward with masking for this. Just forward only. Click add. All right. Click save. And your request has been submitted. Changes may take a few moments on that also. Next thing you want to do is go back over to your Empower Network blog where you have the CNAME and CNAME value. And right here it says, this can take some time to do the mapping. Step 3, go make some lunch, then click the Verify My Custom Domain button below. Now right now it's only been about a few minutes. So if I click Verify Custom Domain, it will not verify. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video for about a half hour, and I'm going to come back, click the Verify Custom Domain, and we will go from there. So hold on for just a bit. Okay guys, I'm back, and it's been about a half hour, and basically as you can see, I've already clicked it and the domain has been verified. But once the 20-30 minutes, I mean, you can try it sooner if you want. You come over, like I said, you click the Verify Custom Domain, and you can see my domain is verified. The domain has been successfully verified. So we are good to go on that. What I want to do real quick is I want to log out of empowernetwork.com. And go up here in the address bar and let's check out this and see if it works. www.enteamrevolution.com. All right. And it's loading. There you go. As you can see now in the address bar, it's my custom domain up here, not my Empower Network domain. So if I go to, these are some test posts that I've done. Let's see this. Let's read more. That's, as you can see, now we're on this post. And it keeps the name www.enteamrevolution.com/blog/don't-go-broke, which is the title. I could also come up here into training, click that, and let's go back. So now that you have done this, you are now able to post on Facebook. You want to make sure you're logged out of your Empower Network blog, because if you're not, when you're working on it, it's on the Empower Network domain. So let's give you an example. Let's copy this link. Let's go over here. Let's see. Facebook.com. Let's log into Facebook. Let's log into one of the Facebook accounts. Oh, see, we've got another post from the Blog Beast. And here we go to your... Now watch. All right. Team Revolution, don't go broke. You can post it. And now your Empower Network blog links will work on Facebook. And there is proof Now let's say I want to delete the post. Yes. Now let's do this again real quick. Paste. And then if you want to add a picture or a thumbnail, you can go to your, this is the best way to do it, to add a picture to it. Let's say let's just say I wanted to add Empower Fort Wayne Success. Oh, anyway, for some reason it's not showing up, but BlogBeast Mobile. Anyway, for whatever reason, my pictures aren't showing up right now, but I don't know if it's thinking or what. But anyway, now with your map domain, you can post on Facebook, and people can click your links. So hopefully this demonstration was easy for you. It's actually just a few simple steps to do it. And I will talk to you on the next video. Thank you for your time.